Hey, it's Hot Rod Ronnie. I don't make many videos anymore. It's not much use because you put them on there and then next thing you know, they're on somebody else's site within 15-20 minutes. So it's not worth it anymore. But I'll show you here what I've done to my old 63 Impala. Remember how rusty it was? Well, that's its name, rusty. Anyway, the seats were so bad I just put foam under the Mexican blankets there. And the other day, I'm not going to put a headliner in it, so this is a good thing to do if you're going to put a headliner. Not going to put a headliner. You just put the insulation up in there, and then put your bows up in there to hold it up in there. Since you're not going to be using them for a headliner, then all you do is take the air conditioning tape that they use on ducking and just put it across the, you can see right there, just put it across the bows and that stuff won't come loose. It's like Gorilla Tape. So made it a whole lot better in here, plus it looks cool, just like this car does. The floorboards are